Hey there Candy Crush lover, want to save your sweet progress or challenge your friends? Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Candy Crush to Facebook. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open up the tasty icon and get ready to crush it. On the home screen, look for the little gear icon in the top right corner. Tap it like it's a candy bomb. Now tap on My Account. This is where Backstage pass to sync magic. See the Facebook icon? Tap it. You will be redirected to login. Don't worry, it's safe and sweet. Enter your Facebook email and password. Boom, just like that you are linked. Candy Crush will sync your progress and show your friends who's crushing it hardest. Now that you are connected, you will never lose your progress, even if you switch devices. Plus you can send and receive lives like a candy powered hero. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can connect Candy Crush with Facebook. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.